Incline push-up. If you've been doing push-ups on your knees for a while, incline push-up is actually a really great option because the body position is actually more like what you will do when you're doing push-up from your toes. And the way to make incline push-up easier or harder is how high you have the bench or the stool or the bar that you're using. So the most important thing is when you're doing this, like note, like if you're using a plyo box, for example, you could have it on the 45, trying to think of the measurement, the 45 or the 30 or the 75, whatever measurement, have something so that you can actually measure and track your progress. So I'll just do on this bench just to show you. So hands slightly wider than shoulder width. You're going to bend your toes, you're going to have your body all in a nice line like a plank as you would be planking. And you want to get to chest and up, to chest and up. Because while you will see people doing push-ups that don't get their chest to the ground, to get the full range of motion and the benefit of the movement, it is chest to ground. So to chest and to up. So aim to do 3 sets of 10 at a height, and once you've got that height and that 10 feels comfortable, then lower the height, and then eventually keep lowering and lowering until we're on the ground, doing them straight from our toes.